Hey guys, what's up? That time of the month again. It's time for unboxing. So I'm super excited. It's been a really good month. September unboxing all these lovely PR goodies and PR packages that are here. So I'm going to show you what I've got and some of my favorites. I've got so much stuff. I really don't know where to start. Let's start with this big box. This has come in from the guys at Kerastars Hair Care. And if I open it, so this is what it is. It's a nice little box and it's got an eye mask and a dream catcher and of course this, which is of course the key product. So this is what it is. It's the Kerastars new 8-hour magic night serum, which is basically like a moisturizer that you put onto your hair every night before you go to sleep, and it smells absolutely amazing. So thank you very much, Kerastars. And yes guys, you might want to check this out. It's really cool and great for a night hair routine. Let's see what we have next. I've got this nice little cute little box from the guys at Marriott. So Marriott's loyalty program is called Bonvoy, and they've just partnered with Mr. Men and Little Miss, of course, the famous cartoon and comic characters, Mr. Men. And they have got these limited edition Mr. Men series. So I've got a Mr. Happy soft toy, which is really cute. And I have a Little Miss Princess soft toy, which is really cute. Now, what the guys at Marriott Bonvoy are going to be sending these limited edition Little Miss and Mr. Men soft toys out to their members' kids, and I think that is a really sweet touch. So I am totally looking forward to seeing what people have to say about that. I've got this nice little carved wooden box from the guys at ITC Grand Central with my name on it, as you can see, and I open it to a pair of chopsticks. There's a pair of chopsticks. There is some jasmine tea. There's some jasmine tea, and of course there's some 5-spice powder, and an invite for the new menu at the Shanghai Club, which is a Chinese restaurant at the ITC Grand Central. So thank you very much guys at ITC. I really love this carved wooden box. It's really cool. Then I've got a nice little package from the guys at Estee Lauder, and when there's a package in from Estee Lauder, it always means that there's something good in there. A nice pillow which says "Sleep is my beauty secret" from Estee Lauder, and of course a bottle of their signature product, which is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Nice little vial of that. So I haven't really used this product before, but I've read great reviews and I've seen a lot of bloggers talking about it. So basically take a couple of drops and put it onto your skin just before you go to sleep, in addition to your moisturizer, and it kind of repairs and regenerates damaged, tired skin. I've used it for the past 3 nights because I got this 3 days ago, and I can actually see my skin looking brighter and nicer. So I am really thankful for that. So you guys might want to try out Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair. I have another PR package from the guys at Harley Davidson that just celebrated their anniversary in India. Harley Davidson sent me this cool t-shirt. Thank you very much guys, to celebrate their 10-year anniversary in India. So many congratulations on that. I have got something from Superdry. Love Superdry. So my neighbor, who is Jatin Sapru, who is a TV anchor and personality, recently partnered with Superdry for a Lakme Fashion Week party, and he sent me this. How about neighborly love? I absolutely love this t-shirt and I can't wait to wear it. And of course, Superdry fabrics are absolutely amazing. What do we have here? Something from Calvin Klein. Calvin Klein CK1 Platinum Edition. So new fragrance of the month, CK1 Platinum Edition. Guys, I will be giving you a review of this one. I haven't opened it yet, but of course if it's from the CK1 family, it's going to have all those nice citrusy notes, and I'd love that. So I'm going to give you a review soon. What else do we have? Oh my god, check this out. It's from an eyewear brand called Kosh, and they've sent me this little hamper. with 3 pairs of sunglasses in them. And I have to say, okay, so I've just discovered this brand, and I have to tell you, I'm particularly impressed by the quality and the finish of these frames. Oh, I really love this pair. This pair is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the matte finish on them. Really like them. Do you think this suits my face? Okay. And of course, let me show you the third one as well. The third one seems to be like a Club Master inspired, a very simple design. I really like it. Let's check it out. This is really cool. And in addition, in this hamper there are like 3 sunglasses cases, and there are 3 like little holders. Thank you very much to the guys at Kosh. I'm really impressed by the quality of these sunnies. What else do we have here? I've got a nice box of my favorite thing, coffee. The guys at Sleepy Owl have sent me lots and lots and lots of brewed coffee. Thank you very much. Actually, there's this guy who works at Sleepy Owl who's an Insta follower who saw that I love my coffee and decided to send across some. So Sleepy Owl cold brew coffee. So these are actually brew packs. They're like literally bags of coffee in them, and you put it into water and refrigerate it overnight, and by the next morning you have freshly brewed coffee overnight. Really good quality coffee, guys. You might want to check this out. Thank you for the coffee. I'm a happy boy when there's lots of coffee. I have got a nice little hamper from the guys at Lionsgate Play. So in case you're wondering what Lionsgate Play is, it's a new app that you need to download onto your personal devices, and it is a movie streaming app for all the Hollywood movies, both old and new, really good quality movies. So they've sent me some essentials for binge watching movies. So as you can see, there's some Pringles in there, there's some salted almonds, there are La Folie chocolate cookies, there is chocolate popcorn, wow, and a bar of Lindt chocolate. Perfect for a binge watching weekend. Thank you very much to the guys at Lionsgate Play. I've got something from the guys at Kama Ayurveda, the Kama hair care box, which needs no introduction because I've used it so often. So the Kama hair care box has 3 products. My favorite, Bringadi hair oil right in the middle, and then of course there's the rose and jasmine hair cleanser, which is like the shampoo, and the matching conditioner, which is really good. Let's look at this side. What do we have here? My friend Anish Bhasin, I love you for this. This is a really big hamper. So Swami is a made in India brand, homegrown brand that does tonic water and ginger ale, and yup, Swami has sent me, let me just show you this, has sent me a huge hamper of all these cool tonics. So we've got light tonic water, I've got grapefruit flavored tonic water, perfect for those gin and tonic nights, and I have got a cucumber tonic water along with ginger ale. So there's some ginger ale as well if you're a ginger ale fan. And thank you very much, Anish, and of course 2 lovely tumblers, which are much appreciated. What else do we have? I have something from Amit Agarwal. Amit Agarwal, as you know, is a designer whose work I absolutely love and have been following. Amit Agarwal has sent me this nice little box, which with a handwritten note which says, "Dear Riaan, thank you so much for all your love and support through these years. Hugs and kisses from Amit Agarwal." This beautiful stationery set. So I've got notebooks, pencils, scotch tape in black and white, an eraser, post-it notes, stationery set, envelopes and writing paper. I think it's really classy in this Amit Agarwal signature black. So I really like it. Thank you very much, Amit Agarwal. The Green Snack Company knows how much I love my snacking. So they've sent me a bag of yummy goodies. So what do we have in here? We've got healthy snacks, the Green Snack Co quinoa puffs, spicy quinoa puffs. We have got zesty kale flavored quinoa puffs, so not fried, super grains, roasted, cholesterol free, good source of protein and no added preservatives. I've got kale chips. Oh my god, I feel like such a hipster having kale chips. And I've got more kale chips in cheese and onion flavor. And I have got another small little bag from the guys at Pizza Express in Mumbai. I really love this. Hello Sunshine. So this is an invite for me, dear Riaan. Pizza Express introduces the Good Mood Food, which is a menu packed with dishes that are high on happiness, taste, and all things good. So they sent me this cute little slam book, which is like a notebook with stickers and a few vouchers for Pizza Express and some little sketches and of course a few little coupons. So I'm going to go to Pizza Express very soon and I do look forward to that. Don't miss out. I've got this hamper from the guys at Protein X that have sent me some protein powder and a nice little protein shaker. So thank you very much. I'm going to use this after my workouts. I'm really excited to use that. And of course, I've got this beautiful hamper from the guys at Teach for India. Teach for India is an NGO that works towards the education of children. So they sent me this beautiful notebook, which is from Teach for India. A book which is called Grey Sunshine Stories from Teach for India. A little note card and a stationery set. I think I love stationery sets because I really write a lot of notes and send them out to people. So this is much appreciated. I'm just trying to see if I have actually opened up all my gifts because there are so many of them. And I have got an invite from Poco Loco, which is a new restaurant in Mumbai. So they sent some stuff like cookies and a few, whatever these are called, castanets or shakers or whatever. And there's a bottle of jalapeno infused vodka. Okay. My gosh, homemade bitters. Okay, so I need to figure out how I'm going to use this. I have to ask the guys at Poco Loco how to make these cocktails. Thank you very much guys for joining me for my September favorite goodies. Please leave me a comment and tell me what you think. If there's anything that you really like and would like to have, shoot me a comment. I don't mind sending it across to you if there's something that you like and I'm not using. I'd love to hear from you, so please leave me a comment. And of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And of course, till next month's unboxing video, I'd love to hear from you. See you.